Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. I hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla planning to close its retail stores to lower their expenses. Before I do so, let's take a look at the price movement and statistics. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, last Friday up 2.73%, past week down 4.53%, past month down 7.31%, past 3 months down 21%, past year down 12.25%, past 5 years up 17.18%. As you can see, Tesla is a really volatile stock and fluctuates more than the market, but has a high potential for growth if they're able to deliver a low-cost Model 3 and consistently meet demand by ramping up their production. So scrolling down a bit to take a look at the statistics. Current price is $284.40. So this is on the lower end of the 52-week range. Market cap is $49.04 billion. No PE ratio because they're not profitable at the moment. And dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So as I mentioned, Tesla's planning to close its retail stores to lower their expenses. But this plan may be foiled if the landlords don't let Tesla out of its leases. Tesla has a total lease obligation of $1.6 billion with $1.1 billion due between 2019 and 2023, which is very soon. And to save money, Tesla is trying to cut this cost so that it can reinvest elsewhere, like production and getting the product to its consumers. One thing to note is that the tenants usually they can't break the leases until they meet certain conditions, like filing for bankruptcy or the shopping center loses a number of tenants. Currently, Tesla rents space at 8 Taubman properties, as well as space from Simon Property Group and Masaryk. So looking at another article that talked about this plan. Tesla temporarily froze the plan to close its retail stores and lay off workers. And retail staff was told that Tesla was pausing the transition to online sales until end of month. And stores that had been told to stop booking test drives were told to continue business as usual. Some of the retail managers are presenting this as an opportunity to prove themselves, while many employees are walking away since they don't have access to commissions and bonuses, resulting in a pay cut. And some of the workers suspect drawing out the process is a way of unloading them without having to pay severance. So overall, this seems like it's pretty negative news since Tesla's trying to be profitable as a company, but the cost going towards leasing retail space is driving their expenses higher. And Tesla's trying to just cut this cost so that they can dedicate the resources towards production and getting the products to its consumers. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Tesla? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.